XI6200. It is an equipment that performs inline automatic inspection of defect of solder joint and other hidden components of PCBA. We are conducting X-ray inspection along with production equipments at various application production sites. Defects are screened fast at an inspection speed of 0.5 seconds per FOV. The program is reflected so that the user can easily set the area to be inspected. Various defect inspections can be operated in high-speed 2D inline inspection equipment such as BGA, chip, QFN, QFP. Wire defect and short circuit, wheel, non-insertion, and misinsertion can be inspected.